Peppa and George are visiting Granny and Grandpa's house. Peppa is watching Granny Pig at her dressing table.
Right now.
You smell nice, Granny.
Thank you, Peppa. It's my perfume de lavender.
It smells like your garden.
That's because
Turn around
perfume is
you.
made of flowers.
Granny, I've got a very good idea.
Really?
Really?
First, I need some water.
Here's your water.
Here we go.
Now I'm going to put flowers in it and make perfume.
That's nice, dear. But only pick flowers from the grass.
Not
from the
tomorrow.
flower bed. Okay?
Okay. Hello, flowers. Who wants to be in my perfume? I'm going to put you in my beaker of water. Hello, butterfly. I'm making perfume. It's going to be the prettiest, smelliest perfume ever.
How?
Lovely.
Here is George.
Stand back, George. I'm making perfume. Do you want to watch? First, I pick a smelly flower. Very flowery. Then I put it in my beaker. No, George.
No.
You
Don't.
can't
I
put
want
grass
the
in my
monkey.
perfume. It needs the smell of flowers. Smell. Yuck.
George does not like smelly flowers. Grandpa Pig is in his herb garden.
Grandpa, smell this.
What?
Ooh, it smells like pond water.
It's my special perfume. I made it with flowers from the garden.
Oh, yes.
She does
it's the
it
most
right.
beautiful
Yeah.
perfume in the world.
Yes.
Animal
Do you
flavor.
like it, George?
No, George doesn't like the smell of flowers.
Take this
You
bucket,
see that too?
George. You can make perfume
You can
out
make
of something
perfume.
else. I have got lots
I got a
of
lot
lovely
of
smelly
flowers.
things in my herb
Yeah?
garden. This is rosemary. I like to use it in my
University
cooking.
It smells interesting.
This is mint.
This is most
Ooh, that smells very minty.
And this is
this is a
lavender.
lavender.
Oh, that smells like Granny Pig's perfume.
Wow!
That's a lot of
strong
fun,
smell of
Jay.
lavender.
Lavender.
Ah, Granny Pig, you smell nice.
Thank you, Grandpa Pig.
Take a Grandpa Pig.
Granny, smell this.
Now like this one.
What is it?
It's my perfume.
Oh, yes.
He does it right.
Lovely. Has George made some perfume too?
No, Granny. He doesn't like the smell of
Smell of
anything.
flowers.
There must be something you like the smell of.
You like the flowers?
George has found
A muddy puddle.
It's a muddy puddle.
It's a muddy puddle, yeah.
Oh, George,
Yeah.
what have you got there?
I think
Have
he
you
got
made
it.
some perfume? Actually, that smells quite nice.
It smells lovely.
I say, that is
I say,
delightful. What did you put in it,
When you
George?
put it in.
George's perfume is made out of muddy puddles.
Ah. And
Perfume
to the muddy puddle.
Granny Pig, you smell even nicer than you did before.
Yes, you
Oh,
should
yeah.
use perfume de muddy puddle more
More
often.
offer?
Peppa Pig. Peppa Pig.
Okay.